Sorry, not sorry.
Touchdown.
I wasn't gonna say nothing, but it's on me heavy. I promise it's getting ridiculous after this drop. Do not.
What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. If you're not new, welcome back, y'all. So in today's video, we will be doing some unboxing. So we're going to be unboxing these packages over here. I probably showed y'all those boxes like 2 vlogs ago. So y'all, I'm in the middle of redecorating. I am trying to get me a whole new recording setup. I just need something new, something fresh, and more space. So I'm working on that. And I'm also excited because I just ordered like a new sofa to go in my recording area. So yeah, it's really going to be cute. So we're going to start off with this little Amazon box. We're actually going to put it together. So I bought a bar cart, y'all. So my vision for my little setup is a bar cart. So I'll have this linked in my like to know, or no, not or. It's going to be linked in my like to know, and also it's going to be linked in my Amazon storefront, y'all. Y'all, I'm so tired. Y'all, I ain't had my hair done in about 2 weeks now. Oh God, I just really been chilling. I'm gonna do my hair because next weekend I'm going out and I just want to get cute. It's past due. Oh, but yeah, it's a little bar cart in this box. So I'm like, let me put it together because just in case I don't like it, I got 30 days to take it back. Okay, a box inside of a box. Oh, it must be a tiny bar cart. I'm gonna have to vacuum again. Oh, I hate this stuff. Hate the sound, the feel. Oh, Lord Jesus, y'all. Look at all these screws. Oh, no. Hell no. Nope. This is what the bar cart's supposed to look like. Woo. Yeah. It's giving. I'm not about to do this. Times like this, I wish I had a handy man, like a handy friend, a handy dad, a handy something. Handy dandy goddamn notebook. It look easy. It's looking like you need 2 people. Teamwork make the dream work. Y'all see that? Is that what that means?
I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me, take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a rap.
I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy. Okay, remember that. I didn't come this far just to come this far. Yep. I saw it on the internet.
I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient.
Y'all, I'm watching From. I think it's called From on Prime. Pretty good. It's like a scary series. But anyway, this is what it looked like. It's really cute. I can't wait to put my wine on here and fix it up, make it look cute. So, yep, this is my bar cart for my new recording space. This will be found in my Amazon storefront, y'all. I honestly think they sold out of this particular one, but they have like a brown one. If I can find something similar, I will post it. All right, y'all, so I wanted to show y'all some sheets I got from Burlington. They are so freaking cute. And this brand, y'all, believe it or not, at Burlington, they be having some good quality sheets for the price. It was $20, so it's like a 6-piece satin border sheet set. Okay, y'all, so this is what I got from Sheet. And oh my god, this is not, oh, this is going back. This is going back. I bought some grass wall. I should have been opened this, but I think I got time to take it back. It's like half a sheet. No, we're not doing this. This was a waste of my money. I wonder why it was so cheap. Oh, and it stink. Okay, this is going back. We gotta start from scratch. Yeah. The measurements is totally off, y'all. This is supposed to be 20 by 13. Like, I mean 20 by 30. How? Okay, so I got these from Shein, right? Do y'all see how small these are? I'm thinking they were like this size or bigger, like even a little bigger than this. This isn't gonna work. And it smells so awful, so I'm gonna send these back, and I think I'm just gonna order some off of Amazon because I paid like $40 for 20 pieces. I think Amazon won't probably like 100 for a couple of pieces, so I think I'm just gonna have to pay the money to get what I want because this ain't it. So you know what, y'all? I'm not even gonna open the other boxes because it's gonna all make sense once I get the right pieces, grass pieces. So I'll just share that with y'all later. Yeah, that's going back. So I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, what's up? It's July 3rd. I'm still looking like 2 weeks ago. Bonnet on my head, y'all. I ain't had my hair done in a while. But I'm just sitting up here watching YouTube. I'm watching my girl Janae, y'all. Let me show y'all her. Check out her YouTube channel. Subscribe to her. I just started watching her vlog.
I was on my way to my cousin's house.
So yeah, that's what I'm watching. I'm about to put her on the iPad. Because I don't know. I like watching my videos on the iPad. Or I watch y'all, you know, on my TV. But that's what I'm watching, y'all. So yeah, I'm just chilling, y'all. Like I said, I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired of looking like 2 weeks ago, a hot mess. But don't worry, because I'm getting cute this weekend, y'all. We're gonna have fun because the Drake concert is Sunday, y'all. So yeah, that's what we doing this weekend. Y'all, my fit is so cute. I think it's gonna be a whole look once I put it on. I can't wait to show y'all my outfit. Get this head done, get these nails done. My brows, they just need a little touch up because they be going ham. I don't like thin eyebrows, so I'm just saying touch them up a little. So yeah, y'all, July is about to be lit, y'all. So stay tuned for July vlogs, you know. What else, y'all? I'm hungry. I just woke up. I'm debating if I want to eat something. I haven't had breakfast, so it's literally like it's 3:13. So I don't know if I just want to make me breakfast now. I don't want some popcorn. I'm craving a Dr. Pepper, y'all. I love pop, but I don't drink pop a lot, which is good. But I'm gonna see if I can convince my daughter to go to the store and give me a pop, and maybe I'll buy her something. She'll go for me, so I can have some popcorn later, y'all. Chilling right now. I've been recording content for my TikTok. I'm trying to get back on that, y'all. I've been horrible with putting out content lately, so I'm trying to get more active with that. Oh yeah, y'all, I was gonna tell y'all, please support me. Like, click my link and shop my Amazon storefront. Key thing, maybe you didn't know this, maybe you know this, but you do not have to order what's exactly in my storefront to support me. If you shop through my link just like you shop through Amazon normally, I would make commission off of that. So Amazon helped me pay my bills, y'all, so help me out. You know, click that link, click my like to know link. Follow me on all social media platforms. I am on Instagram at Fashion Doll. I will pop it over here. I am on TikTok. I will pop it over there. I am also on Lemonade. You can follow me over there. And I'm on Pinterest. I'm not really active on Pinterest, but I just started back posting on Pinterest. But I think my name is the same, Fashion Doll, either Fashion Doll or Fashion Doll 3. You can find me on any of those social media platforms. And I'll put my store up here. So, yeah, just follow me over there, y'all. I really appreciate it. So, I think I'm about to start on some laundry, y'all. Got my little laundry basket over there. So, I think that's what I'm about to do. And I will talk to y'all later. Just want to give y'all an update on what's been going on, what's going to be popping this weekend. I don't know if the concert going to be in this vlog. I'm thinking I should start a fresh vlog because this memory card is shitty that I got from Amazon, and this is not in my Amazon storefront. That's one thing about me. I'm not just going to post shit in my storefront just for you to buy it. Most of the stuff in my storefront I actually own, and of course some things are like, you know, some things I think y'all will like, and they have great reviews and y'all can try it out, so keep that in mind. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later. My lips feeling real dry. I'm about to put something on my lips.
That you are just too giving, that you pour into these men so much only to get nothing back or not what you hoped for in return. I know that happens to a lot of women, and it's a very unfortunate situation. And so we've got to correct why that behavior is happening and stop it. But let's be careful because...
Hey y'all, what's up? Good morning. Happy 4th of July. I am watching Stephen Speaks. I really like his content. He's like a motivational speaker on relationships or whatnot. He does give like really good advice. He caters to the men and women, so you know it's not like one-sided. But I am on the women's channel. I think he got like a men's channel, y'all. But I'm up. I'm about to make my daughter some pancakes. It's like 11:20. I'm debating if I'm going to cook dinner, like barbecue. I don't know, y'all. I'm never prepared for the holidays. I don't have like family where we have like barbecues, you know, unless my mom is doing something. But I don't think my mom doing anything today. But yeah, I borrowed my mom's steamer. I'm going to steam my kitchen curtain because it's wrinkled. Oh, y'all, I am so excited to announce that your girl will be going out of town like in 2 weeks. So I am so excited about that, y'all. Trip, very much needed. I think the last time I was out of town was my birthday. In November? No, I went out of town in January. As a matter of fact, I went to Vegas in January. Y'all know I love Vegas. I'm trying to go back to Vegas, actually. I don't know. I want to go somewhere after the trip I just planned. But yeah, y'all. So I'm super excited about that. So y'all stay tuned for those you know, pack with me vlogs, prep with me vlogs, and then the trip vlog. So those are some exciting content that's coming up. Oh, y'all. Oh, this robe. I love this little satin robe, y'all. This is in my Amazon storefront. I will link it below if you guys want to shop this robe. Very soft. So yeah, I need to buy me another robe, y'all. I finally got rid of my little bear rug. I mean my bear, I finally got rid of that little brown bear looking robe that I got from Target some time ago, y'all. It was time to throw her away. And let's just say I'm not too happy about it because that was my baby. But she was raggedy, y'all, so she had to go. So I'm looking for another robe. It was hot, time to turn the air on in this mug. So I did all my washing yesterday, so I'm good on that. Ooh, I do need to wash my bathroom rug and clean my bathroom today. So I'm gonna be doing that. Oh, y'all, you know what I want to tell y'all? Y'all better start treating these people exactly how they treat you. That goes for family, that goes for friends, that goes for your lover, that goes for your homie lover friend. Like, I used to be like so nice and just be like jumping for people when they wouldn't jump for me. Baby, when I tell you, I don't give two fucks, okay, anymore. I just don't. Alright, y'all. My camera literally is on like 12%. This memory card is shitty as fuck. The little lock piece fell off. I seen a little hack where they said put like tape over it to make it work again. But oh, I got pancake mix on here. But I'm about to order me another memory card from Amazon. Then I need to order me an extra battery for my camera. So when I go out of town, you know, my camera won't be dying on me. So I'm about to do that, y'all. Let me charge y'all. Look for my charger. Let me charge y'all up. Oh, let me turn the air on, the AC. The central air because it's hot up in here. Mama. Alright. Yep. Let me do that. I'll talk to y'all.
I've been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they running shit they really ran through. I'd spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gonna fall off. I hate to bring you bad news. Through so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pee, rich niggas get you home. Gave a Bentley to ballet and let that nigga try to boat. Let me pop off. Leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out. Herbie's from the south, you tryna see me knock your socks out. Told them bitches meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Grease. She thought I would kiss her ass, she must ain't took a meds. Shit around my neck, it cost her arm and leg. Swear that nigga set for life, I let him get me pregnant. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem.